In this video, we would study about artificial vegetative propagation. Artificial vegetative propagation. In some plants are developed vegetatively by human beings to improve the variety of plants. Such vegetative propagation is called artificial vegetative propagation. Some plants are developed vegetatively by human beings to improve the variety of plants. Such vegetative propagation is called artificial vegetative propagation. Cutting, grafting, and layering are the methods of this type of propagation. Grafting. In grafting, two different plants are combined to obtain a new plant with superior quality. In this method, a stem cutting of one plant called scion is attached and tied with the root stem of another plant called stalk. So we can see in the diagram, this part will be called as stalk and this will be called as scion. After a few days, due to rapid cell division, the scion and stalk merges together and develops a new plant with improved qualities. As the stalk is rooted stem, it provides nutrition to the scion. After grafting, we can get different colors of rose flowers in single rose plant. Layering. In this method, a young healthy branch of plant is bent and part of it is covered under the soil in such a way that its terminal bud is exposed to air. After a few days, roots develop from the part under the soil. The branch is then cut off from the main plant and planted separately to grow into new plant. Strawberry, lemon, jasmine are propagated by this method. We can see in the diagram that a stem is lowered and mud is put over it and it is then cut from here and a new plant is developed which can be shown in different places. Cutting. In this method of propagation, new plants are produced by cutting the part of stem of a healthy plant that has axillary bud. This stem cutting is then planted in moist soil. After a few days, the roots develop from the portion embedded under the soil and new leaves develop from the buds present at its upper end to form new plant. Advantages of vegetative propagation. What are the advantages of vegetative propagation? It is the only means of asexual reproduction in species which are seedless or which usually do not produce seeds such as in banana, figs, pineapple. Second benefit is that it is rapid, easier, cheaper method compared to reproduction of plant by seeds. Plants raised through vegetative propagation are exactly like parent plant. Those from seeds show different variations due to fusion of two gametes of different varieties. Thus, by vegetative propagation, selected varieties of various plants can be maintained without losing the desirable characters. Improved varieties of ornamental plants and fruit trees can be multiplied easily. What are the disadvantages of vegetative propagation? Disadvantages of vegetative propagation are: it does not produce new varieties. As the offsprings have same features as their parents, they are prone to same infection, which can result in destruction of crops. It may lead to overcrowding because there is very little chance of dispersal take place. These are the disadvantages of vegetative propagation.